These Rugged Ridge windshield hinge brackets in black are for those of you that have a 2007 and up JK that are looking to change up the look of your Jeep, but don't want to make any sort of permanent or major modifications to your factory pieces. Of course, you could always pull your hinge covers off of your factory Jeep, hit them with a temporary coating or even a powder coat or a spray paint coating to change them to black. But again, if you want to be able to go back to factory very easily, you can swap in this set. Or of course, if you have any sort of major damage to those pieces and you're looking for a replacement, this is going to work for those of you as well. Now, these are going to bolt directly in place. They're practically a factory piece, but they're going to be less expensive than going to Mopar and trying to find a replacement. These are going to be a very easy install, definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench bolt-on installation, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second. Overall, again, if you're looking to change the look of your Jeep or you need a replacement because yours are missing or damaged, I think this is going to be a less expensive option than going to Mopar, and they're still going to fit perfectly. As for construction, there's not too much to say about these. These are going to be very similar to the factory windshield hinge covers. These are a steel piece designed to fit directly onto your factory Jeep. They are covered in a black powder coat finish right out of the box. So if you're looking for that little bit of additional attitude, if you're looking to black out your Jeep or you have a lot of black accents, these are going to work really well. As for the install, again, 1 out of 3 wrenches. All you have to do is unbolt your factory set and bolt these up. It shouldn't take you more than a half hour, probably closer to 15 minutes to do.
Today we're going to be installing the Rugged Ridge hinge brackets. So go right about here on the Jeep. We're going to replace this factory one. The new one's going to be black. Very simple installation, just removal of a few bolts. We're good to go. We're going to begin by removing the 6 T40 Torx head bolts from the factory bracket. The new kit comes with a new bracket and new hardware. Now, installation of your new brackets is just as easy as the removal of the old ones. You're going to line the new bracket up into place. Go ahead and just start your hardware into the holes. Now you can go ahead and just tighten up your bolts. Just repeat the process for the other side. And that's your installation of your new windshield hinge brackets. Quick, easy, anyone can do it.
This set of hinge covers from Rugged Ridge is going to run you right around $80, which I do think is going to be a pretty fair price when you consider the alternative of going directly to Mopar for a piece like this. So whether you're looking to change up the look of your Jeep by changing your windshield hinge covers to black, or you need a replacement for some other reason, I think this is going to be an option that fits really well and is fairly priced from Rugged Ridge that you can find right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.